Hi you guys, today we're going to do our CVC sounds. So we're going to look at the picture and we're going to write the beginning sound. What sound does the picture make first? And then find out what letter that is and then write it down here. They already gave us the last two letters of the name of the picture. So let's look at the first one. This is a picture of a bag. So which letter makes the sound B in bag? Is it B, N, or S? Bag, B. It's B, so we're going to write the letter B. And once we write the letter B, we can trace the A and the G. And that makes our word bag. Okay, our next picture is a picture of a cat. Cat. So the first sound in cat is the sound. So which one makes the k sound? Is it B? Does B make k? Or does C say k? Or does F say k? Cat. K. It's C. So we're going to write the letter C. And once we write the letter C, we're going to trace the letter A and then trace the letter T to make cat. Cat. Now let's look at our next picture. So this is a picture of dad. This is the little girl's dad. So the first sound we hear is d in dad. Which letter makes the d sound? Is it B? Does B go d? D, or S, d. It's the letter B, the letter D. So we're going to write D. I'm going to use the pen now so you guys can see it. D. And now we're going to trace the letter A and the letter D at the end. And that is the word dad. Now our next picture is the picture of a van. Van. So the first sound it makes is a V sound. V, van. Which one makes the V sound? Is it F, M, or V? Van. V. It's V. So we're going to write the letter V. And now we're going to trace the letter A and the letter N. And that makes the word van. Van. Now, our next picture is a picture of a hat. Hat. So the first sound you hear when you say hat is the sound What letter makes the sound? C, H, or P? Which one goes in hat? The letter H. So we're going to write the letter H down here. And now we're going to trace the letter A and the letter T. And that is the word hat. Hat. Now, the next picture is the picture of a fan. Fan. Now, the picture fan, the word fan starts with the letter. With what letter? It makes the f sound at the beginning. Is it C, F, or T? Fan. Which letter makes the f sound? It's F. So we're going to write the letter F. Now, let's trace the letter A and trace the letter N. And that is the word fan. Fan. Now let's look at our next picture. It's the picture of a bat. The bat you use in baseball. Bat. So what does the first sound the bat makes is b, bat. So which letter makes the b sound? B, F, or H? Bat. It's B. So we're going to write the letter B, and then we're going to trace the letter A and the letter T. And that is the word bat. Bat. The next picture is the picture of a map. The first sound that we hear is and mat. What letter makes the sound? G, M, or T? Mat. Mat. It's the letter M. So we write the letter M. Now we have to trace the letter A and the letter P. And that makes the word map. Map. Our next picture is the picture of a rat. Rat. So the first sound you hear is rat. What letter makes the sound in rat? Is it H, P, or R? Rat. Rat. It's the letter R. So we're going to write R. And then we're going to trace the letter A and the letter T. And that makes the word rat. Rat. rat, rat. Now our next picture is the picture of a can. So the first sound can makes is k, k, k. So what letter makes the k, k sound in can? C, F, or M? Which one goes k, k, can? It's the letter C. And so we're going to write the letter C, and then we're going to trace the letter A, and then the letter N. And that makes the word can. K, a, n, k, a, n, can. Now, let's look at our next picture. It's a picture of a little girl, but is she happy or is she sad? Look at her mouth. She's sad. So we're going to make the word sad. Sad. So the first sound you hear in sad is sad. So what letter makes the sound? Is it F, P, or S? Sad. It's S. So we're going to write the letter S. And now we're going to trace the letter A and the letter D. And that's sad, sad. It makes the word sad. Now our last picture is a picture of jam. Jam, like what you put on your toast. Jam. Now when you hear the sound, the first sound in jam, it's j, j, jam, j, j. So what letter makes the j, j sound? Is it D, J, or R? J, j, j. It's J. So we're going to write the letter J. Don't forget the J has a little dot on top. J. And now we trace the letter A and the letter M. And that makes the word jam. J, a, m, j, a, m, jam. Good job, you guys. That's all for this worksheet. Okay, see you next time.